Okay, so this is the Deebot N79S, and we've had it for about a year. It's been a really good vacuum. We have 2 dogs and a cat, and we keep this thing going all the time, and it picks up all the hair. It's been really helpful. Just recently it started making this really loud noise. I'll show you. And turns out that that's the motor that turns the main brush. And I'm going to show you how to take that out and replace it. And I'll put a link in the description for this vacuum if you want to check it out on Amazon, and also for the brush motor. But I'll show you how to take it apart and replace that motor. It seems to be a common problem with the Deebot, that motor going out first. Go ahead and take the dustbin out, and just a regular Phillips screwdriver. There's lots of screws on the bottom, so you want to take these. Go ahead and take these brushes off and just pop off. So you just want to go ahead and start taking out all of your screws. And then you'll take a smaller screwdriver and take this lip off the front here. There's a lip here that holds the bumper on. Take these smaller screws out. This little trim piece comes off, and the bumper will come off, and you just unplug it from the bumper. Gently unplug it, take the top off, just like so. Now if you look right here, this is your main brush motor. This is the one that was making that terrible noise. So we just take this screw out right here, holds our motor in. Just like so. And I'll show you here. Turn it back on. Just unplug the wires, plug into the board, just pull it straight out. So just take the new one, just plug it back in the board, and just repeat the whole process of the assembly. Now, check and make sure everything's working properly. Turn it back on. If this helped you out, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.